Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav First Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical questions or doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institute. Then you can join. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for you. That means that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations. Like this question is from your West Bengal joint. That means West Bengal joint for engineering, or that's called as WBJEE. And the question is telling us that if 2132 a matrix into matrix multiplication with a and with again matrix multiplication with minus 3 2 5 minus 3 is equals to 1 0 0, and that means identity. Okay, so then our A is what? There are four options here, which are 1 1 1 0, 1 1 0 1, 1 0 1 1, and 0 1 1 1. Okay. So what can be done with this? So let me prepare my screen. Okay, so now we can write the valuable things to solve this problem. Okay, so now what we are getting here? So 2132 A and minus 3 to 5 minus 3, that is equals to identity, which is this. So this is the given thing here. That means this is the given matrix equation. So now we are tasked with finding the matrix A here. So now we what can we do? So let us name it B or B or C. B and C. Okay. So now we can write it as BAC is equals to I. So now we are going to solve for A. So now to solve for A, multiply both sides of the equation by B inverse on the left and C inverse on the right. So then we will get B inverse B, A, C inverse, that is equals to B inverse I, C inverse. And that will be what? That will be A equals to B inverse multiplied by C inverse. Okay. That means the A is the product of B inverse and C inverse. Okay. So now we are going to compute our B inverse. Let me shift the screen. Okay. So now what is my B inverse? B inverse is equals to 1 by date B into this thing 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. Okay. So what we will get? So our date B is equals to, we have to calculate date B, and that is equals to 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3. So that will be 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay. So our B inverse will be what? As our determinant of B is 1. So that is 1 by 1 into this thing, the adjoint matrix of B. So finally we are getting B inverse equals to 2 minus 1, 3, and so now similarly we are going to find the C inverse. So C inverse will be 1 by date C into the matrix augment the adjoint matrix of C. So that is equals to this. That is 3. So now what can be done? So our date of C is what? Date of C is equals to minus 3 into minus 3 minus of minus 5, sorry, minus 2 into minus 5. So that is equals to minus 9 plus 10. Sorry, plus 9 minus 10. So that will be minus 1. So our C inverse will be 1 upon minus 1. There will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, and minus 3. So as we are getting -1 in the scalar thing here, so our C inverse will be 3, 2, 5, 3. That's all. So now what will our A be? So our A will be now equals to B inverse, which is 2 minus 1 and minus 3 here, minus 2, and we are getting 3, 2, 5. Okay, so that will be what? So now we are using the matrix multiplication to solve it. 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into 5, and we are getting minus 3 into 3 plus we are getting 2 into 2. And here we are getting 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. And in this last term, we are getting 3 root minus 3 into 2, 2 into 3. Okay. So that will equals to, that will be 6 minus 5, and that is 4 minus 3, and here we are getting minus 9 plus 10, and here we are getting minus 6 plus 6. So that is equals to 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is our A. So just only using the matrix multiplication, we solved the given question. So the correct answer of this question will be what? That will be our option A. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.